you doing today? I'm here with another video, and in this video I'm gonna go really quickly on how you can change your potentiometer or your joystick, whatever you guys call this. There's no left and right, they're all the same, so you can purchase your own. And I'm gonna go really quickly how to disassemble it. It's really easy. There is 4 screws at the back, so remove the 4 screws. Next, I'll recommend you guys to have a guitar pick. It's really handy. You want to stick it between the top and the bottom cover and just gonna twist it. It will just come out. Don't pull up to it, don't yank on it. You want to rip the ribbon cables. There is 2 ribbon cables right on this side and right there. Those are for the clicks and charging one. So what you want to do, you want to hold it in this position and you want to stick your guitar pick right between the battery and the bottom case. And you want to remove the battery. You can just pull out the battery. I would recommend you guys to pull out the battery, just pull it out. Next, we're going to remove only 2 screws right here. We're going to remove only this screw right there and this screw right over here. Just cross each other. So that one. Oh, actually there's 3 of them. So these 2 and the one right at the bottom here. So we're going to remove these 3. And next we're going to lift up this cover and be careful, there's a ribbon cable for this back click. Next we're going to unhook this ribbon cable right here from the board. Using a tweezer, we're going to lift up this cover right there. Get it closer. Right there. You're going to lift up this end up. It gets to 90 degrees and you can just pull out the ribbon cable. So we're going to remove the screw right underneath here and the screw right there. So these 2 screws. Alright, next the same way we're going to remove the ribbon cable for the joystick, potentiometer. Just pull it out. That's it. Now you can just extract it from there. Right there. Just push it out. Alright, I got this spring out. You can put it back in if you have it. Come off. Not a big deal. So you're gonna grab the new one and you're gonna put it in the same position. You have to push it down so it goes through and put it right in place. Put the 2 screws first. I have the camera right on my face, so alright, put the second screw. Next we want to put the ribbon cable. The ribbon cable goes underneath this one, so move this one to the side. Grab your tweezers. I'm just gonna remove this one. So slide the ribbon cable right underneath. Make sure it's nice and toggled in. And close the lid. Right there. I'm gonna stay right there. Next, you're gonna move those holding to one side, plug in the other ribbon cable that we disconnected. Push it right underneath there. And close the secure lock. Alright, next, you wanna put this one back on. And you want to flip this one over. Right on top. Put these 3 screws right at the back. So I put always one in the middle to hold everything in place. The second one and the bottom one. And if you guys like this video, please click that thumbs up button, and if you don't, you know what to do. Also, if you have questions or any comments, you know where to leave them. Alright, and you grab the battery. You're not gonna use your tweezer, you want a short connector. You wanna put the battery right under this cable, speaker, the vibrators. Put right over the jack, then just push it down. It doesn't say you have to push it down. So just grab it on top and just push it. It will just do some clicks and that's it. Put the battery there. You have to actually slide down the side first. Actually slide down nicely. And then push the back side. There we go. Now it's all ready to go. So you got the old one and then you one right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the last 4 screws. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.